How to recover Brawl Stars account without Supercell ID. Hi everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can recover the Brawl Stars account without Supercell ID. So let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. First thing is open up your device. After that, you just need to open up a browser on your device, whichever is suitable for you. I'm just going to open this one and there type in contact Brawl Stars. After that, on the very first, you'll be able to see this link called Supercell support. So you just need to click on this very first link that appears on your screen, and when you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see this contact option here. Contact us. You can see this, just click on this dislike option and then tap on this login ID option. Just hit that, and here you need to enter your email. Just enter your email. After that, log in. After logging in, you just need to give there comes an option where you can give a reason. So what you're going to do is simply enter the reason, like you want to verify your account or you want to get into the Brawl Stars without using Supercell ID, and the Supercell team should reach out to you to help you, and that's it. So therefore, just follow this method and you should be able to do it. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.